My name is Shima Joshua, and this is Group B. I'm going to be talking about our project, and I'm going to give you guys a simple overview of how our project is supposed to function. So I'll start by sharing my screen and going to the Visual Studio Code. I'll go to Visual Studio Code. Then I'll run the server. So I'll type in the command to run the server from the terminal. I'll say py manage py, and I run the server. So after running the server, I'm going to go to Chrome and open the link to my website. So link to the website. So the name of our website is called Language Launch. It's basically what it does. It is a website for learning languages whereby a user interacts with the system. We have like basic language learning, but for us, we specified in English at the moment. So there's nouns, there is tenses, there is like everything you need to know about simple basic English. So we have the login page whereby a user enters his or her credentials, email address, and then the password, and you log in into your account. We have the next page, we have the About Us page that talks all about what this website does. We have the Contact Us page for the inquiries and any specific private requests or any requests by the user. And the one that is supposed to see the inquiries or the requests is the super user. A super user has also an account in our website in the Language Launch admin, whereby he or she enters the email address and the password, like that. So for our group, we have only one super user that also like can see the messages of the users and requests. So I'm going to talk a little bit about the back end from the Visual Studio Code, how actually things came about. We have the virtual environment, you have the name of the website, Language Launch, we have the statics, we have the templates, and we have the name of the project is StudyPad. So my friends are going to be talking more details about the back end and how they actually work.
Is Nakanjako Tedishila, and I'm going to be talking about the front end of our website, which is Language Launch. So this is the home page that is already displayed from as the last presenter did. So this is the home page. It basically talks about what our website is all about. Like it gives a view to the user, and it's the main page of the website. When a user tries to get in touch with our website, they will be brought to this page. So there is a navigation bar up here with the logo for the website. There is the name of our website, which is Language Launch, and then there is this search bar that if you want to search for anything from the website, that's where you go. Then these buttons, which direct us to different pages of our website. There is the About Us page, there is the Contact Us page, the Login page. Yeah. So about the About Us page, it tells us about our website, what it does. There is a message here. There is Language Launch is a dynamic platform dedicated to making language learning an engaging and personalized experience. So there is more for the user to read and understand what the website is all about. Then there is this video which adds more touch to what this About Us is talking about the website. Then the Contact Us page, in case a user wants to put across some message to the administrators of the website. This is the page that they come to and then write their message they want to send. There is the name. They enter their name, their phone number, email address, then the subject they want to talk about. Here goes the message, and then after that, we send. So we can be reached by this email, phone, contact number, then the address. Yeah. So then the login page. This is where a user logs in to this website and then starts accessing all resources and everything the website has to offer. So for all the users that already have an account there, you just come here and sign in, log in. But if you don't have an account already, you sign up. Here, you put your name, your username, you create your email, then password, you confirm it here and here register. So that the next time you come, your account is already there and you just have to log in. So yeah, let's try logging in. This is my email, then I'm putting the password. Then before that, the features to our website whereby if someone puts the wrong email, like they forget this sign, and you try logging in, it will show you an error message so that you correct that and then you move on to logging in. So, when you log in, you're taken to the content page where you can access anything about this website. All the resources are presented to you. So for example, since it's a language learning website, in case you want to learn about the tenses, come here, search, and then you're going to be provided with all the resources concerning tenses that are available to our website. And for this case, there are classrooms whereby if you search for tenses, for example, you're taken to where you can get to learn those. The recent activities, in case the administrators of the website have put up other resources, you come here to recent activities. That's where you find all those.
Emmanuel Kenny Samuel from Group B. I'm going to take you through the back end of our project. So as you are seeing it in my screen, this is our VS Code. Inside our VS Code, we have our project called StudyBird. So inside StudyBird, we have the virtual environment installed, Language Launch, which is the name of our app, static folder, StudyBird templates, theme, DBS SQLite, and the manage.py. So I'm going to start by how we install the Django. So we start by installing the virtual environment, which we use the code Python space dash. I'm not going to show it, but I'm just going to explain it. Python dash mvenv, and I put the name of our virtual environment, of which here we have put env. So I'm going to go straight away. Now, after creating env, we also create the app within the Django. So here we have already created the app, which is Language Launch. So now, if I open Language Launch has the admin.py forms and all that. So first of all, the Django doesn't know about our app Language Launch. So I have to go into our project StudyBird and go into settings. So when I go into settings, I go into where there are apps. I first let the Django know about our app. So I put language launch.apps.py language launch config. For me to get this language launch config, I come to language launch and I move to apps.py. So I pick this line of code, language launch config. So I put it into the settings.py. I save it, and that is done. So now the Django knows about our app. Then next, I'm going to connect the URLs for the main project with that one of the app. So connecting the URLs, I come into StudyBud, I open the URLs. So here, I come from the Django.urls import path include. Then I put, for the path, this one comes with the Django. So I have to put now, this path include the Django.urls. Then I put AP, I also include this. So here, I've connected the URLs for the project with that one of the Django. I mean, with that one of the app. So now here, these are URLs, like for the app now. So we have the URL for about us, contact us, activity, all these ones which are visible here. And that's that. So next I'm going to go into the modules which are there in our website. So this is the modules.py. In our modules, we have 4 classes. We have the room class, message, we have topic and user. So those modules are the ones which are viewed. So for every module, we have to register it in the admin.py. That's why you see here, we say from module.import room, topic, message, user. So admin.site.register room. So it registers the room. So all these ones have been registered. Then again, we create a template within our project called templates, and then we create another folder called language launch. So also, the Django doesn't know about this template, so we have to let it know about this template. So we go into manage the, we go into our settings, we go into templates. So here normally it brings theirs, and then like that box is just empty. So what I did is, what we did as a group was to just bring the path for that particular template, and we included it here as it is. So we save it. So that is done. So next, we have the static, which contains everything. We have our CSS here. We have images, which is used in the website. We have the JavaScript, stylings, videos, and everything. So StudyBud also has its own template. So we have the main.html and the nav.html. The nav.html, which shows the navbar of our, which shows us the navbar of our website, and then main.html shows the main background.
Sanga Matthew, I'll be taking us through some of the templates we have. So this is our code to the templates. So I'll explain the major ones, one of them being the main.html. So this is our code. We have some styling for the body up here, and then we have the header section and the body section. So in our head section, as always, we add some links. So one of the links is the link to the CSS, which is the style.css, and then a shortcut to the icons, the favicon.icon. Then in our body section, we have a list, an unordered list with the message, and we included it to our navbar by using this. We included a navbar to our main page by using this line of code. And then this is for our code to be known to the Django environment, and that's it for the main.html. Then we have our navbar. So for better styling, we added some classes, some div elements, some anchor tags, which link to other URLs like our home, and then also an image. So we added an image using this line of code. And then we have down here. So better styling, we added a a class called header user, and then another image. So for the image to be known, we add this line of code, which the %sign and the URL update user and close it. So that's for our image to be seen. Then down here, we added for our navbar, we added an unordered list with list items that were nested in an anchor tag, with an anchor tag nested in the list. So we have still paths to our different different pages. So the first one is the login page, and the next one is the about us page and the contact us page. And then we also have this. We included a background image, and that's it for the navbar.html. Then the other one that I would like to talk about is about us. This is the code for the about us. So we extended it to the main.html using this, so it can be seen there. And then it also had a head section with a title about us, which is the major thing here. And then we styled it using some CSS. Then it also has a body, which is also styled. So basically, this is all CSS styling the page. We added a video which talks about what our website is about. And then the other one is the contact us page, which was also extended to the main.html, and it has we added with some stylings like from Google Fonts. So we linked them using this link, and we styled it using some CSS here. And yeah, so that's it for our contact us page. So basically, those are the main pages that we had, and that's how we created them. Thank you.